Hello students, welcome. Today we are going to discuss how to drive the relations using dimensional equations. So let us start. We were given drive an expression for centripetal force F acting on a particle of mass m moving with velocity v in a circle of radius r using method of dimensions. यानी ਅਸੀਂ dimensions ਦੀ method ਦਾ use ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਅਸੀਂ force ਦਾ that is centripetal force ਇਹਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ formula ਪਤਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਤੇ depend ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ it is depending upon the mass velocity and radius. So first of all what you have to do, force that is given by F directly proportional to किधे किधे ते डिपेंड कर रहा है force is depending upon mass, so write it as m. It is also depending upon velocity, so write it as v. Also depending upon radius, so write it as r. Now we don't know what will be the dimensions of mass, what will be the dimension of velocity, or what will be the dimensions of radius. So simply put, let it be the power a here, mass power a, velocity power b, and radius power c. This is our first step, right? So you know, when you remove this proportionality, we take another constant. So let we take here k, m power a, b power b, and r power c. This is the first equation. Now what you have to do, this was your first step. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, जो साडे कोल गिवन सीगा ਅਸੀਂ force ਦਾ फार्मूला पता करना है. So force it is depending upon mass, velocity and radius, and we just put the power a, b, c of mass, velocity and radius. Now we have to find the dimensions of all these quantities and equate. So write dimensional formula of various quantities involved, and you know this is force. So force has the dimensions of m power 1, l power 1, and t power minus 2. These are the dimensions of force. Now k we don't know, it is a constant, so we don't write the dimensions of k. Now you know the dimensions of mass m power 1, dimensions of velocity v, that is l power 1, t power minus 1. This is what radius, and radius has the dimensions of length l power 1. So now put all these values in equation number 1. So what will you get? Force, you can write here, put all these values, or you can say the dimensions, in equation 1. So what will you get? Force that has the dimensions of m power 1, l power 1, t power minus 2. K is, we don't know its dimensions. M, that is m power a whole power a. Velocity has the dimensions l power 1, t power minus 1 power b, and radius that has the dimensions of l power 1 power c. Now solve it. M power 1, l power 1, t power minus 2, k, m power 1 into a, it becomes m power a, because when you have power over power like x power 2, x power 3, so what it becomes? X power 6. Simply here 1 into a. And again here if you see l power b, l power 1 into b, l power b, and here it is l power 1 into c. So combine this, l power b, l power c, t power minus b. So now what will we get? k m power a l power b plus c and t power minus b. Now we have to equate the powers of mass, length and time both sides. So equating powers, what will we get? Here it is m power 1, here it is m power a. So from here a equal to 1. You can see here L power 1 and here it is L power B plus C. So 1 equal to B plus C. See the power of T. T has a power of minus 2 and here it is T power minus B. So minus 2 equal to minus B. Minus minus will cancel out and you will get B equal to 2. So इस तरह साढ़े को a दी पावर 1 आ गया, b दी पावर 2 है. Now we have to find the power of c here. So put the value of b. B is what? 2 plus c. So c equal to 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. Now we have seen that we get a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 1. Now put all these values of a, b, c in your equation number 1. Put the values of a, b, c in equation 1. So what will we get? F equal to k m power a. A is 1. Velocity, that is v, power b, we have here 2. C is equal to minus 1. So r power minus 1. So F equal to k mb square upon r. So in this way we see that we have find the formula for centripetal force, that is mb square upon r into k. K is proportionally constant. If you take k equal to 1, then F equal to mb square upon r. In this way you can find the expressions or the relations using methods of dimensions, right? What are the steps? Let's revise. First of all, you have to write here what? Force, because you have to find the formula for force, and force is depending upon mass, velocity and radius. Now we put the powers a, b, c because we don't know. Now we remove the proportionality here and we took it k. Now write the dimensions of all the quantities here: force, mass, velocity and radius. So after putting all these values and solving, just equate the powers and you will get the values of a, b and c, and put these values here, and in this way we will solve all the problems by using these steps. Suppose, let us take another example. Find an expression for force F acting on a body of mass m having acceleration u using having acceleration a using method of dimensions. So let us solve it. Now you have to find the formula of force. So first of all write force, that is F, and force depending upon mass and acceleration. So you have simply put mass into acceleration. Now what we have to do, we have to put the powers. Let the power of mass be a and acceleration has a power b. Remove this proportionality, take k m power a and a power b. Now what we have to do, just put the dimensions of all these quantities, and you know this is our second step. Force has a dimensions m power 1, l power 1, t power minus 2. K mass m power 1 whole power a. Acceleration has a dimension formula l power 1, t power minus 2 power b. Now solve it. k m power 1 into a, that is m power a, L power 1 into b, that is L power b, t power minus 2 into b, t power minus 2b. So now we have to apply our third step here, and that is to equate the powers of a and b. Now if you see here, m power a and here m power 1. So equating powers, both sides. So m power 1, m power a, it means a equal to 1. Now see here, L power b, L power 1, it means b equal to 1. We got a power 1, b equal to also 1. Also if you see t is what? Minus 2, that is minus 2 equal to what? Minus 2b. The minus minus cancelled out, b equal to 2 upon 2, that is also equal to 1. We already have calculated the value of b, right? And we also calculated here, that is b is also equal to 1. So there should be no confusion. We need the value of b, that is we got b equal to 1. You can calculate by equating the powers of L or by equating the power of t. So now put the values of a and b in equation number 1. This is your equation number 1. So put the values of a and b in 1. So what will we get? F equal to k m power a. M power a mean m power 1. A power b, b also equal to 1. So F equal to kma. So this is the formula for force which is acting on a body of mass m having acceleration a. If k equal to 1, then force equal to mass into acceleration. So dear students, in this way we use the method of dimensions to drive the relations. So dear students, if you like the videos, you can subscribe it and like it. Thank you.